Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sync with Google accounts and Google Messages. So if you want to sync in Google account with a Google account in Google Messages, what you need to do is to go into your settings right here. Alright, so first I just want you to type sync, okay, and on the search bar, and once you type sync, I want you to go and choose the first option for me that's appear on my screen, account and sync. Okay, and right here I want you to choose the auto sync data to turn it on and to make sure the Wi-Fi only is off. So here I want you to look for Google. Okay, so here I want you to if once you find Google, I want you to tap on the Google. All right, so right here I want you to choose your Google account, and after that I want you to make sure that every option right here is on. So you just need to turn this multiple options into on, just like that. And after that, just make sure that you have you have the same Google account on your Google Messages. So let's make sure. All right, by going to your Google Messages app and then going into the top right corner, and by tapping on your profile picture of Google. Okay, so you can see the Google account that you are using on your Google Messages. So guys, that's how to sync with Google accounts and Google Messages. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.